Today is Sunday, February 17th. It is currently 5:20 in the morning. I have been on the road since 4:20 this morning, and I've got about another 30 minutes to go. So this morning we are traveling to the home where the homeowners are actually putting the pennies down on the floor. So we are going to video that entire process, so it's going to be a long day. But yeah, we're headed out to Wilder, Texas, and going to go and get this set up so you guys can see the process of actually installing 96 square feet of pennies. So I don't know if you can see my face, but that's 30,000 pennies right there, and they're heavy. Those one box is heavy, so I do not envy what they are about to do, but I will watch from a distance and I will sympathize. That's for sure. All right, so we are about 4 hours in, and they're closer than they were when we started. We're gonna go with that. Nobody's angry with each other. Our spirits are good. I even got down there and put some pennies down myself, but we all seem to be in good spirits, like I said, and I'm sure the emotions will start running soon. But we just got food, so that's a definite bonus. So we're gonna see if we can talk with the homeowners here and get their feelings on this whole thing.
So we're building our Barndominium, and we decided to do a copper farm sink. And we wanted to incorporate more copper. So my husband said, I want to get a copper vent hood for above the stove, the cooktop. Well, they're very proud of those, and they're quite pricey. So when I was on Pinterest and put in copper farmhouse sink, copper vent hood, a copper penny floor popped up. And it was a time-lapse video of someone doing the floor, and it looked really neat. I'd never seen it before. So I mentioned it to Clay, and he's like, no. So I mentioned it to Robert. And Robert said, I want to run that idea by Eric. And they were super excited to learn more about it. So because of their support, we are here today installing a copper penny floor.
Alrighty, so it is 3:30. Yeah, we started at 6:30. I helped lay some pennies earlier this morning, and then I had to make a run to get more adhesive so that we didn't have to stop. But yeah, it is now 3:30, and things are moving right along. We are just about to the 3/4 point, which is surprising. I did not expect that it would get this far by this time, but they have a system going and it's working. So yeah, so that's what we're doing, and it has just been non-stop all day long. Just gonna get back to it, and that's pretty much the way this day is gonna just keep on going. So see you at the end.
So, I don't know if I'm going to get 1 or 2 more in.
Okay, so you're gonna do the one.
No pressure.
Okay, ready? We're going to try this one. And we can get 1 more. Okay, all right, here
Ready
we
to
go.
go.
Last one is right.
There you go.
We are
8:00.
8 o'clock.
So 6:30 to 8 o'clock.
Yes, so that's 12,
That's 14 and a half.
14 and a half hours.
We said 14.
Yeah.
Good job. I'll never look at a penny the same again. No, it's great. It's unique. It's original. And our family was here to help, which made it even better. And I'll have great memories looking down at the floor every time I walk on it.
So I think it's only fitting to end the day the way we started. At Buc-ee's. I don't know if you can see it back there. So Christian and Casey, I met them this morning. They're the family that wanted to do the Pennies. We talked about that briefly this morning. They are a great couple. I got to meet their kids, their parents, the kids' grandparents. So there was a lot of people there. Definitely a family affair. They got it done, guys. 96 square feet, 30,000 pennies, all put down on the floor today. Took them 14 hours. They were like a machine. They were just going, taking shifts. It was amazing to watch. Got it all on video. You're gonna, hopefully you enjoyed what you just saw. But yeah, so it's been a long day for me. I know it's a really long day for them. I even got down myself and helped them with some of the install of those pennies. So guys, I just don't even really know what to say. I'm just so tired. And I'm ready to get home myself. I still got an hour drive. So I'm just gonna sign off by saying the ever popular, we are Texas Barndominiums.